people looking to purchase Jonathan Budd's My Traffic 3.0 course, you have got to see this article that I just wrote. I just broke down exactly, step by step by step, the truth about Jonathan Budd and a critical review of him and his products. So any online marketers who are looking to succeed, to get traffic, or to absolutely crush it using social media needs to read this article. If you are even remotely considering buying My Traffic or anything from Jonathan Budd, and you have a breath in your body, you need to look at this link right now, click on it, check out my article, and get your hands on this information. Do it now.